Yo, ¿qué tal? It is Paul Jose here. We're going to be working on basic post moves for my taller players that have been asking for this video. We're just going to be working on our footwork and our touch work, specifically with any type of floaters, hook shots, etc. I just finished playing university basketball and trying to play basketball as far as I can. I know, again, I am not a big, but some of my guys in the comments or just shot me some messages on TikTok, or some of my friends back home were just asking for these post moves, and I can't discriminate. I want to help as many people as I can. I'm not going to discriminate based on any position. So basically, the first option that we have, we're going to be posting up. Let's say they feed it to us here. We have somebody right behind us. We're going to use our right foot that's planted here to turn, dribble in, and then we're going to shoot it high off the backboard. Ideally, we want to hit it right above that little white square that you guys see on the backboard right there. We're asking for the ball. Our point guard, which is me, would give the ball, and we turn high up on the glass, and then we make it. Big men, when you guys ask for the ball, use your hand, point to it where you want it. Again, for some of you guys, again, we could turn out and then just dunk it, but at some point too, the other team may have another big man, so we got to work on our touch. We turn here, defense is cutting us off. We use the same footwork to turn. We're gonna go up and then finish. I'm here, I get it, turn, and we're out. Next counter, pretty simple. We're doing everything we just did. We turn, spin, and then the minute we come here, pump fake, other side. Finish high off the glass. Ball please, point guard. That's PJ right here. Ooh. Maybe we catch the ball and it's a one-on-one scenario and everybody's moving around us. We want to dribble in, and then we're gonna be working off our spins or our fake turns. So we're gonna be here so we can jab, go in, fake, turn for our hook shot. Get the ball, ooh, go up. And mix it up, throw in that jab if you want. You catch it here, ooh. Yep. Really turn and use your eyes to look the other way just so we can sell our moves. You know that we can also do the spin, and then the spin, pump fake for the other side. We go here. Yep, 1, 2. Let me spit some free game for y'all. When you guys are lifting off that pivot foot, let's say from the spin, pump fake, I can take an extra step with this one, even though this is my pivot foot, and then lift this off and go up. It's a step through, not a travel. The only time it is a travel is if I go here and this foot touches the ground while I still have the ball, then it's a travel. But if I do this and I'm getting rid of the ball before my pivot foot touches the ground again, that is a clean move, ladies and gentlemen. So just remember that. Know the step through, utilize the step through. And just a reminder too, guards, you also got to practice footwork. If you look at guards like Jalen Brunson, Peyton Pritchard, Xavier Simpson, Captain Hook, he's the guy in the G League that just shoots all these hook shots. He's around my size. These guys, they work on big man stuff like literally hook shots, pump fakes, step throughs, little footwork stuff, playing off 2 feet. Because the main thing, whether you're a point guard, shooting guard, small forward, power forward, or center, is you want to be taking these shots off 2 feet with coordination, with balance. The reason is we're going to be able to get off the easier shots at a more higher consistent rate. Again, have fun with all these drills, test them out, freestyle with it, and much love, y'all. I appreciate it. I appreciate it. I'll keep y'all posted with the rest of my stuff with my hoops. All right? Much love.